We are now 3 days into jury selection for the Pittsburgh synagogue shooting trial. No jurors have been seated. Some prospective jurors have cried. Some have avoided questions or hedged when asked about their beliefs on religion or the death penalty.
So what do lawyers from both sides want to hear, or what do they not want to hear? KDKA's Megan Schiller with some insight now.
Some say when it comes to jury selection, that is where a trial could be won or lost. Well, today I talked with a social scientist who says he doesn't necessarily think a trial can be won with jury selection, but he definitely thinks it can be lost. Social scientist Dave Zahner is in the business of reading potential jurors and says this about the upcoming Pittsburgh synagogue shooting trial.
In most cases like this, you end up with what we call a lowest common denominator jury, jurors without a lot of strong opinions about anything, because they don't set off any alarm bells for anybody, and they're the ones who get through the process.
Zahner runs Zahner Trial Consulting, and he makes a living helping attorneys decide who to keep and who to strike. He says think of it as jury deselection instead of jury selection. People who are strong-willed or openly opinionated likely won't make it through.
Both sides are looking to eliminate people who have strong leadership qualities, who might have views that are contrary to the ones they want on the jury. So you're not only looking for people with views that are problematic, but ones who might end up being leaders in the jury.
What's happening these first few weeks is called voir dire, French for to speak. Both sides want to know about the person's thoughts on the death penalty because in this trial, one holdout means life in prison. In
these deliberations, if one juror, when they get to that phase of the trial, says that I refuse to give it the death penalty, it's over.
He says prosecution-leaning jurors will look older, generally more conservative, often with a connection to law enforcement. Someone who will believe charges means guilt. For defense, it's the exact opposite.
You're looking for people who are more liberal. In this particular case, it would be people who maybe have had experience with mental health challenges, who might be more sympathetic to the idea of someone really having a psychotic break.
And in this process, you're going to hear people talking a lot about strikes. They are allowed to strike people for cause. That is happening right now. And then once they talk to all the potential jurors, then each side gets 20 strikes. And then from there, they are going to pick and seat a jury. Reporting tonight outside the federal courthouse, I'm Megan Schiller, KDKA News.